So last week we practiced rounding to the nearest 10 and the nearest 100. This video is going to show you how to round to the nearest 1,000. So the problem that we are working with is round 27,296 to the nearest 1,000. So just like before when we were rounding to the nearest 10 or nearest 100, we would look at the tens and the hundreds place. When we're rounding to the nearest thousands, we're going to focus on the thousands place. And everything else I can cover up because I don't need to worry about that right now. So I'm going to look at the number 7,296 to help me find my benchmarks, those numbers on the end that will help me place the number. So I'm going to think 7,296 is between what thousands? Well, it's definitely not between 1,000, 2,000, 2,000, 3,000. It's between 7,000. So that's my first benchmark. 7,000 and 8,000, because 7,000 plus another 1,000 is 8,000. Then my midpoint, I'm thinking about what is half of 1,000. Well, 1/2 of 1,000 would be 500. This is 1,000. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 is half. So my midpoint would be 7,500. So I still have my benchmarks and my midpoint. But now I need to remember that I also had this digit here, which was a 2 in the 10,000s place. So I'm just going to go back and add the 2. So now my benchmarks are 27,000, 28,000, and my midpoint is 27,500. So now I'm going back to this number, and I'm going to think, where would 27,296 be on this number line? Well, I know that 296 is less than 500, so it would be less than my midpoint. It would be about here. So now on my number line, I can see that 27,296 is less than my midpoint, so it would round down to 27,000. So that's an example of how you can round a number to the nearest thousands place.